approaching Bescott Stadium. Please mind the gap
That's a
when
bit of a
leaving the
marshalling
train
yard.
and step onto the platform
Near
before
Bescott
removing
Stadium.
heavy luggage and push
DB
chairs.
Schenker wagons there. Oh my word. Yeah, I don't know whether it's a full DB Schenker yard or not.
Walsall. We will be calling at Walsall. The next
Old
stop
rusty
will
tankers.
be Walsall.
All that rubble there. And the other line has joined us now. Another one is looming in. Oh, another tamper. Oh, it's a training centre.
We are now approaching Walsall, our final station.
Yep. Here we
Please mind
go.
the gap when leaving the train and step onto the platform before removing heavy luggage and pushchairs. If you see something that doesn't look right, speak to staff or text the British Transport Police on 61016. We'll sort it. See it, say it, sorted.
And we're just gliding into the station now. So all I have to do is sign off here. I know I've done a lot of films on this one, but hey ho, it's interesting for me. So I hope you've enjoyed it as much as I have, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.